Okay guys, so welcome back. So today we will be doing actual SPM paper, soalan sebenar SPM bagi NMATS. Alright? Okay, so today we will cover paper 1 only, kertas satu saja, tapi kita akan bincang semua soalan yang diperlukan. Okay, we will discuss all the questions. Question 1 and then until question 15. Okay? Alright guys, so we start with question 1. Soalan satu. Okay guys, may I know for this question, what chapter, what form? Soalan ni dari bab mana dan tingkatan berapa? Yes. Okay, this one is function, guys. Your form 4 chapter 1. Okay, fungsi. Okay, so guys, soalan ni saya lihat 3 markah, 3 marks only. Okay, so first question, they say state the object which has no image. Okay, nyatakan objek yang tiada image. Okay, so how do we do this, guys? Macam mana kita nak selesaikan soalan yang ni? Soalan A. They ask you to state the object which has no image. Correct, guys. Okay, kamu kena buat satu anggapan, guys. You must do an assumption. Okay, the bottom 6 minus x equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 6. Object is x. Am I right, guys? Bila kamu nampak perkataan objek, soalan tengah tanya, cari nilai x. Okay, find your x value. Okay, so bila tiada image, when there is no image, means what, guys? Yang lain dengar tak, guys? Suara saya. Does the rest hear my voice? Ataupun kamu seorang saja tak dengar? Yeah, right. Okay, I think kamu kena cuba check volume. Okay. So guys, may I know what condition the object will not have image? Situasi apa sesuatu objek tu takkan ada image? Cuba bagi tahu saya. When will an object don't have image in a function? What is the situation? Apa situasi dia? Yes. Okay, fx sama dengan kosong. Okay, macam mana fx boleh sama dengan kosong, guys? Kat sini fx is equal to 3p over 6 minus x. Am I right? Ini adalah fx kamu. So, bila yang ni boleh jadi kosong, guys? When can this one become 0? May I know? Macam mana? Yes. Okay, x equal to 6, guys. Okay, guys, bila mereka kata tak ada image, when there is no image, mean that the function is undefined. Okay, fungsi dia tak tertakwif. Okay, so macam mana fungsi itu tak tertakwif? Bawah kena sama dengan kosong. Betul? Okay, your denominator must be equal to 0. Okay, because if 3p bahagi kosong, apa kamu dapat, guys? Bagi tahu saya nilai dia. If 3p I divide 0, what is my answer? Yes, math error, guys. Math error maksudnya fungsi dia tak tertakwif. Your function is undefined. Or in other words, infinity. Okay, tak boleh kira nilai dia. You cannot count the value. Okay, so ini sebab kita bagi tahu 6 tolak x sama dengan kosong. Okay, 6 minus x equal to 0. Okay, so yang ni soalan kata nyatakan. Question say state. So guys, bila kamu nampak nyatakan, perlu tak jalan kira? Do I need to show working when the question says state? Nyatakan. Perlu tak? Yes, no need. Direct bagi jawapan. Okay, because only 1 mark. Satu markah sahaja soalan nyatakan. Okay, when they say state, direct to the answer. Okay, jangan bagi apa-apa lebih. Okay, so now, they ask you to find the value of P. Cari nilai P, guys. So how? Can anyone tell me what is the idea? Macam mana nak cari nilai P? Cuba bagi saya persamaan dia. Give me the starting. Yes. F2 equal to 9, guys. You must refer the arrow diagram. Lihat gambar raja anak panah ni. Okay, so F2 is equal to 9. Okay, 2 is your object. Oh, this one is it. So, bahagian A ke? Okay, so for question A, they say object has no image. Am I right? Biasanya dalam situasi biasa, objek akan ada image. Every object should have an image in a function. Am I right? Normal situation, situasi yang biasa. But when the object does not have an image, bila sesuatu objek tu tak ada image, bila fungsi tu tak tertakwif, when the function is undefined. Am I right? So macam mana function tu boleh undefined, guys? Your denominator, penyebut pecahan kamu tu sama dengan kosong. So guys, lihat penyebut pecahan kat sini. 6 tolak x. Betul? 6 minus x is your denominator. So you will let 6 minus X equal to 0. Sebab apa-apa bagi kosong dapat infinity. Faham? Do you understand now? Anything you divide by 0 in a function, you will have infinity. Okay, like 1 over 0, infinity, something like that. Okay, so that is for question A. Okay, now soalan B, guys. So your starting equation is this one. Okay, ini adalah, how come it always disappear? Never mind. Okay, so F2 is equal to 9. This is your starting equation. Okay, kamu kena mula dengan info ni. Okay, guys. So nombor 2 ni saya nak tanya, guys. Dia merujuk kepada nilai apa? The number 2 over there. What does it represent? Which term? Yes. Always remember, guys, it will represent your object or your X value. Okay, object tu adalah nilai X. Okay, so means that kamu gantikan sajalah. You just substitute X equal to 2. Gantikan X sama dengan 2 kat sini. Okay, dan selesaikan untuk P sahaja. Just solve for your P. Okay, so this is the answer. Clear, guys? Soalan 1 dah habis. Question 1 dah tadi. Do you get it, guys? If you understand type 1, don't understand type 2. Faham 1, tak faham 2. Senang sahaja. Understand? Okay, so we go on. Question number 2. Okay, so for this question, may I know what chapter, guys? 2022. 2022, guys. Okay, so this question, what chapter, what form? Tingkatan berapa, bab mana? Yes. Okay, form 4, chapter 4. Okay, indices, surd, and logarithm. Okay, index, surd, dan logaritma. So over here, they test you on index and surd. Mereka uji dua ni sahaja. Okay, logaritma tak ada kat sini. Okay, guys. So the first question, they ask you to express P in term of K. Ungkapkan P dalam sebutan K. Maksudnya apa, guys? Sana, jangan terlalu cepat. Okay, so maksudnya P sama dengan apa-apa K. Okay, this is how you should expect your answer to be, guys. P equal to something something K. Okay, so now you need to fill up what is the something. Okay, so now, first question. They say X 2K plus P equal to 1. Okay, guys. Very good. Baguslah kamu semua. Tak tanya soalan pun dah jawab. Okay, correct. So you must change your number 1 to X power 0. Correct. Whatever power 0 is 1. Yes, correct. Okay, so now, guys, kamu akan buat apa? Kamu akan bandingkan kuasa dia. Betul? You will compare the power directly. Sebab asas dah sama. Your base is the same. So you can direct compare kuasa. Okay, so you will get 2K plus P equals 0. So P sama dengan negative 2K. That's all. Settle. Okay, this one is for A1. Okay, clear, guys? A1 boleh? Senang kan? Very simple. Okay, next one. A2. Okay, so A2 macam ni. Okay, so this one is about surd. Okay, so you have something like this. Okay, guys. So may I know? This one over here. Tak ada. Yang ni. Macam mana kamu boleh modify yang ni, guys? How do I modify this? Siapa boleh type kat saya? Anyone? Siapa? Yes. Okay, you can modify to become 6 over K, guys. Kamu boleh tukar ni jadi A kuasa 6 per K. Okay, how to convert, guys? Yes. Okay, tapi kat sini punca kuasa dia adalah 1 per K. Sebab punca kuasa dia adalah K. Alright, your root is now K. So your indices will become 1 over K. Okay, lepas tu 1 over K times 6, 6 over K. Alright, so sekarang kamu boleh direct compare. Just compare the indices. Okay, and then express. Sorry, guys. This one is P, bukan N. This one is P. Okay, so you will get P equal to 6 over K. Do you all understand? Easy, right? Faham kan? So that is all. Soalan 2 pun macam ni saja. So when you do this one, you will get total 2 marks only. 2 markah sahaja. Alright? For the final answer only. Jawapan akhir saja ada markah. Okay, only final answer. Okay, but masuk step guys. Jangan ingat kalau jawapan akhir saja ada markah, maksudnya tak perlu tunjuk jalan kira. Although the final answer only got mark, you must still show the working step. Tanpa working step, tak ada markah. Sebab soalan tak cakap nyatakan kat sini. The question never say state. Oh, tak perlu salin. Yang ni kamu boleh dapat dari online. SPM 2022. Soalan sebenar. So, kamu cari saja, pasti akan dapat. Tak perlu salin. Okay, kamu dengar saya saja. Macam mana saya explain. Tak perlu tulis apa-apa. No need to write down anything, guys. You just listen only. Listen boleh dapat dah. Okay? Alright, so next one, guys. Okay, I write down the question for you if it's not so clear. Okay, so the question is something like this. X plus 1 equal to 84. Okay, guys. 1 mark if they never say, okay, Bowen, over here, the question actually never tell how is the division of mark among these 3 questions. Okay, so they just tell you the final mark is 4 marks. So you actually don't know that this is 1 mark and 1 mark. Do you know what I mean? You cannot estimate. Yes. Okay, so it's better to show the working no matter what. Always show the working. Okay, unless the question says state. When question says state, then no need working. Okay, because state is always 1 mark. All right, clear? Okay, so now for question 2b, they ask you to express y in term of x. Ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. Means that your answer should be y equal to something something x. Okay, macam ni lah kamu kena expect jawapan kamu. Okay, now guys, what should I modify first in this equation? Saya kena ubah apa kat sini, guys? First step, what do you all think? Anyone? 83. Yes, nombor 3, guys. Okay, guys, you can see something over here. Can you all see this? Number 3, I can bring over here. Am I right? Saya boleh pindah. Okay, I can shift the number 3 to the right hand side. Okay, don't need 84 to asas 3 cannot, guys. Because 3 power what you get 84. Oh, don't. Jangan buat macam tu. Actually boleh lah. Boleh, can. Okay, guys, for those who say they want to do like this, kalau mereka tak mau pindah, okay, 84 is 3 power 4 plus 3. Am I right? So 3 and 3 cancel. Betul? Kamu buat macam ni kan? So that's why terus sama dengan yang ni. Boleh. Also can. Okay? Or you can shift. Kamu boleh pindah yang ni ke sini. You get 81. 81. So 81 pun adalah 3 kuasa 4. Same step. Okay? So yeah, you can choose anyone you like. Okay, now guys, how to continue? Okay, so you see this one? Nampak yang ni? Yang ni dah jadi 81. Okay, so now guys, when divide the power, what do you do to the power? Bila bahagi, asal sama, kuasa jadi? Yes, minus lah. Okay, so 3 power y minus 2x minus 2 equal to 3 power 4. Okay, so you direct compare only, bandingkan. Okay, so Afiq answer just now is correct. You should get final answer y equal to 2x plus 6 selepas selesaikan algebra. Okay, so your answer will be something like this for question B. 2 marks also, 2 markah. Clear, guys? Sampai sekarang kita dah habis soalan kedua. Okay, we already done question number 2. Senang kan, guys, SPM? Kamu semua saja kata susah SPM. Tengok macam mana kita boleh pergi. Cepat saja. Okay, now the question will come harder. Dia akan datang lebih susah. So be prepared. Which part? Which part you don't understand? Datang dah. Betul. Guys, usually right, kalau index cert nampak, biasanya log akan menyusuli. Okay, definitely they will have these 3 question 1 in paper 1. They won't miss out. Index cert, logarithm, all should come. Before y equal to. Oh, soalan B ke? This one. Before y, oh, this one. Guys, this one here got mistake. Sorry. This one is 3 power 4. 3 kuasa 4. Ada kesilapan dalam penulisan skema. Okay, guys? Tak sangat susah lah, log. Don't worry, guys. I'll guide you. Okay? I rasa kamu confused kat situ. Sebenarnya 3 kuasa 4. Okay? Diana? So now you will get the answer, D. Okay, so proceed guys. Okay, so question number 3. Soalan ketiga. Okay, guys. Come already the question. Derive, guys. Kamu kena buktikan dah. First question. So your favorite come already. Oh, calculation is it? Wait, guys. For for question B. Okay, so this one, first step, you shift the number 3 to the right-hand side. Okay, so 84 minus 3, you get 81. Am I right? So you will have this equation over here. All right, and 81 is 3 power 4. Okay, so 3 power 4. So you change everything to base 3. Your main aim in index is to change everything to the same base, which is base 3 in this question. Okay, so then you just apply the indices rule. If you see, wow, wait guys, I show over here better. Okay, so if let's say you have something like this over 3 power 2x plus 2, okay, like this, right? Your question. So when you see divide, the power, oh, I cannot draw the line, I think. Sorry, guys. Now only I notice something. Yes. Okay, you must just minus the power. Okay, so when you see divide, you minus the power. You bring the 2x plus 2 on top. Whenever you bring something on top, it will turn to negative. Negative 2x minus 2. Okay, clear now? Okay, so we go to question 3A, guys. Okay, so they ask you to prove this. Kena buktikan yang ni, guys. So anyone, have you all studied this? How to prove this kind of question already? You should know now, by now. Kamu kena tahu, yang ni sangat basic sebenarnya. It's a very basic derive. Okay, so what is the first step? Can anyone tell me? Langkah pertama. Yang ni tak ada cara, guys. Kamu kena hafal saja. You must memorize. No other method. Trust me. You must be rajin hafal. Melainkan kamu nak skip lah soalan macam ni. If you really don't want to hafal, then you just skip this kind of question. That's all. Okay, very good. Okay, you must do an assumption, guys. Okay, so what is the assumption? Okay, you can assume something like this. M equal to A power X and N equal to A power X. Okay, so yeah, this is one method. Afiq, kamu kena guna kuasa yang berlainan kat sini. Okay, sebab wait, let me check and see. Kamu kena guna kuasa berlainan sebab ada huruf berlainan kat sini. There is different letter. So make sure you use different power also. Wait, guys. Just now one person asked question. Sir, recommend us? Oh, definitely saya kena recommend hafal lah, guys. Guys, if I say question 3A, you all skip in the exam. Is that a good teacher, guys? Adakah itu cikgu bagus? Kalau cikgu suruh skip sajalah, jangan buat. Answer me. Is that a good teacher? If the teacher just tell you skip lah, that question no need to do. No hope already. No, right? Okay? Must still learn, right, guys? Kena belajar juga. Okay, so you all have to learn. Okay, so first step, guys. Okay, you can refer here. Okay, so you must always do an assumption, guys. Okay, so you see left-hand side is log A mn. So you just let it equal to a variable. Bagi dia sama dengan satu pemboleh ubah. Let's say P. Okay, tak semestinya kena P. You can put any alphabet you like. Jangan letak M lah, guys. Nanti kamu confused. Letak huruf selain A, M dan N. Just choose any other alphabet other than A, M, and N so that you don't confuse. Okay? So then, guys, you must use your law. How to convert? Wait, let me check. M times N. Okay, yes. I think your concept is there, correct? Okay? So you must use the concept of convert log form to index form. Wait, I explain this method first. Okay, guys, how to convert log form to index form? You take the base, power the number on the right-hand side equal to this number. So you get this equation. Am I right? Okay, so then on the right-hand side, you have log AM and log AN. Am I right? They ask you to prove this. Kamu kena buktikan yang ni. So you let it equal to another two more variable, okay, which is Q and R. Okay, then you apply the same concept. Convert the log form to index form. Tukar bentuk logaritma ke bentuk index. Okay, so kamu akan dapat semua jawapan ni. Okay, guys. Now, okay, so kamu kena cari Mn. Betul? You must find Mn. So Mn is equal to AQ times AR. Am I right? Sebab M adalah AQ, N adalah AR. Okay, so lepas tu asas sama, kuasa tambah. Okay, same base, you can add the power. Become like this. So Mn equal to AQ plus R. Okay, now guys, you can add log on both sides of the equation. Tambah log asas A pada dua-dua belah persamaan. So guys, log AA dia adalah sama kan? Log AA is 1. Yes. So maksudnya log AMN equal to Q plus R. Okay, so what is Q and R guys? Q kamu dah katakan kat sini. Q is log AM. R is log AN. So guys, you already proven lah. Kamu dah buktikan. Log AMN equal to log AM plus log AN. Boleh faham tak guys? Can you all understand? So basically ada banyak anggapan saja kamu buat kat sini. You just do many assumption. Then you can get the answer di. Boleh dapat jawapan. Tengok, sangat pendek saja. Guys, usually for proving, right, it is better for you to memorize one method only. Hafal satu kaedah sahaja supaya kamu tak confused nanti. If you memorize many method, you will be confused. Kamu akan keliru sikit kalau faham banyak kaedah. Satu kaedah cukup. A, may I know what you don't understand? Which part? Can you tell me which line? Okay, this one first line. Okay, kamu bagi tahu baris ke berapa lah. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, you comment the number. Which one you don't understand? Fifth. Fifth very easy already lah. Guys, they ask you to derive this. Am I right? Kamu kena tulis yang tu sebagai jawapan. Itu maksud dia. You must write that as your final answer. Okay, so from step 4 to step 5, you just add log base A. Tambah log asas A. Okay, so when you add log base A, you get log AMN. Okay, and then you add log base A over here. So log AA 1. Q plus R kamu boleh bawa ke depan. Power in log always bring in front. Okay, so you have Q plus R. Q is equal to log AM. R is equal to log AN. Okay, so log AM tambah log AN. Faham? Do you understand now A? Kiranya if nak provekan, we need to change the log. Yes, correct. Always remember this step. Change log to index. Kena tukar log untuk index. Untuk soalan terbitkan, derive. Especially this one. This kind of derive. Okay? Bowen, what do you mean 1 mark? This question is 3 marks. 3 markah. Okay? So make sure you guys can score all the 3 marks. Derive is usually 3 to 4 mark. Okay? Alright. So now guys, we see question 3B. They ask you to find the value of U guys. Same also. Same concept. Okay, so is there an easy way to memorize log rule? So far, I never think of any method lah guys. Saya tak fikir apa-apa kaedah senang nak hafal yang ni. I think better just hafal only. Combine. Okay? Alright, so we go question B. Okay, so now guys, when you see 2 log plus, 2 log asas sama tambah, apa kamu boleh buat? Oh, okay, so kamu jawab untuk yang tu. Okay, yes. You must combine guys. Means you times. Yes, darab. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, dapat macam ni lah bila darab. Okay, and then kamu boleh tukar dari bentuk log ke bentuk index. Okay, you convert from log form to index form. So you get something like this. Okay, so then kamu pergi bawah. Okay, and then you will solve linear equation. Okay, selesaikan sahaja persamaan linear. Then you get your U value. Bracket tak kena buat ke? Bracket maksudnya yang ni ke? Macam ni. Adakah kamu maksudkan yang ni? Yes, boleh juga. No problem. If you want to put a bracket like that guys, also can. Yes. Okay. Why? This one is a basic log question. Also 3 marks. 3 markah. Okay. Clear, right guys? Okay, 1 or 2 guys, 1 atau 2 can do another method for question A. Basically, this is the method. There usually only one method. Satu kaedah sahaja. So don't try to think of other methods. Jangan fikir lain kaedah guys. Always try to keep as few methods as possible so that you don't confuse in the exam. Guys, 2 jam sahaja. Betul? Paper 1 only 2 hours guys. Can you think, is there enough time for you to think of many methods? Adakah ada masa untuk fikir banyak kaedah? Tak ada kan? So if you have one method, just use it. Fahamkan satu kaedah tu betul-betul dan gunakan saja. That's all. What if my method not in answer scheme? Don't worry guys. If your method not in answer scheme, admats always see logic. Dia nampak logic saja. If your answer is logical mathematically, then your answer is accepted. Do you get me guys? So don't need to be exactly like the scheme. Tak semestinya sama dengan skema ni. 2 hours is never long, correct? You will struggle later on because time pass very fast. Okay guys, so we go to question number 4. Binomial, you mean SPM question or teach binomial? Teach the whole chapter or discuss question? Okay guys, so we see question. Oh, SPM, this SPM will also have binomial. Later you see, got question on it. Okay guys, so we go question 4. Okay, may I know, this question is what form, what chapter? Bab apa, tingkatan berapa? Yes, form 5 chapter 2 guys, differentiation. Yes. Okay, so this question also 3 marks, 3 markah. Okay, so they tell you that, okay, first information guys, may I know what is the symbol for this? Apa simbol dia? cm cube per minute. So kamu akan tulis apa? What is the symbol you use? cm cube per minute. Yes. Okay, you will use dv over dt guys. Okay, sama dengan apa guys? Equal to what? Important question now. Soalan penting. I already get my first victim. Okay, correct. Negative 5.5 guys. Negative. Mengapa negative? Chai A guys, melts. Melts mean the volume increase or decrease guys. Kalau sesuatu cair isi padu dia bertambah atau berkurang, boleh saya tanya, berkurang kan? It will decrease. Am I right? Kamu semua belajar sains kan? You all learn science. When you something melt, the volume is going to decrease. Okay? So you must add negative sign. Kamu kena tambah simbol negatif. Okay, so the question is rate of change of side length. Kadar perubahan panjang sisi. Okay, so may I know what is the symbol for this? Okay, Ken, you can use dl over dt or you can use dx over dt also can. dl over dt or dx over dt. Dua-dua pun boleh. Okay, so now guys, what other thing you must have? Apa lagi info kamu kena ada untuk hubungkan dua-dua ni? What is the missing expression to connect these two? Untuk guna petua rantai, to use the chain rule. Simbol lengkap. I want the complete symbol. dv over, check and see. Question is to find dx dt. So means that you must have dv over what? dx. Am I right? Sorry. Sorry guys, this one I write wrongly. This one is dv over dt. Okay, dv over dx. Correct. Okay, you must have dv over dx information. So guys, what is the volume of a cube? May I know? Apa rumus untuk isi padu cube? Volume equal to? Anyone? The side length is x. Panjang sisi dia x. So apa rumus dia untuk isi padu? Yes. X times x times x or L times L times L. Okay, so let's say I use L. Okay, saya guna L lah. Tak mau x. Okay, so our formula is V equal to L cube ataupun x cube. Okay, so now guys, may I know what is the chain rule? Amat, mencair, melts. Mencair maksudnya kena negatif. Boleh faham tak? Isi padu dia akan berkurang. Okay? So, yeah, so may I know what is the chain rule? Apa kait petua rantai kat sini? What is the chain rule you can form? Type me the complete one. So anyone? Chain rule? Siapa boleh bagi saya petua rantai dia secara lengkap? This one you must know how to construct the chain rule. Yes? dl over dx times dx over dt. Wait, dv over dt times dt over dl. Okay. Guys, you must know what you're finding now, you know. Kamu kena tahu apa yang kamu kena cari, guys. Guys, calm down, calm down. Okay, sabar. They ask you to find the rate of change of side length. Am I right? So means that you are finding dl over dt. correct? dl over dt is equal to what? dl over dv times dv over dt. Am I right? This is going to be your chain rule. Ini adalah pentua rantai kamu. Do you get me, guys? So this is what you must construct now. Are you clear all? One or two? Boleh faham, guys? So this is your chain rule now. Okay, so now you must substitute the information only lah. Okay, gantikan information sahaja. Okay, guys, one thing you must take note here. Tengok unit lah, guys. I think most of you never see the unit. Can you see this? They ask you minute, and then the question here, they ask you second. Okay, soalan tanya saat kat sini. So may I know, what must we do over here? Kita kena buat apa pada nilai ni? What is the thing I must modify? From minute become second. So maksudnya, buat apa, guys? What should I do? Come on. Minute to second. Buat apa? Yes. Okay, correct. So you just need to multiply by 60. Okay, darab 60. Wait guys. Yeah, correct. Okay, times 60. Okay, boleh dapat, guys? Clear? So it's just something like that. Okay, and then you will get this working. Okay, kamu akan dapat jalan kira macam ni. Okay, so they ask you to find when the side length is 15. Okay, cari bila panjang dia adalah 15. So means that x equal to 15. Am I right? So you just substitute x equal to 15. Gantikan saja. Find the value of dv over dx. Okay, and then your dx over dv. Okay, dx over dv is 1 over 3x squared. Am I right? Or 1 over 675. Wait. Let me see, guys. Saya nak lihat. Let me check and see. I think got mistake over here. Ada silap kot. cm cube per minute. Okay, guys, I understand tadi. Guys, you know why must bahagi, guys? Kamu tahu tak kenapa kena bahagi? Because minute to second, yes, correct, times 60. But guys, your unit is at the bottom. Okay, unit kamu kat bawah. Salah. cm cube per minute. Your unit is at the bottom. So means that you must divide 60. Tapi sebenarnya kamu darab saja. Your timesing. Tapi kamu darab kat penyebut pecahan. Your times at the denominator. Okay, but then you must include the fraction. Kena tunjuk pecahan tu. Okay, so bahagi 60. You all understand, guys? One or two? Boleh dapat, right? Okay, so you just form the chain rule. Dapat petua rantai and then you give your final answer. Okay, guys, usually for final answer, right, it's better if you give unit. Okay, lebih baik kamu bagi unit dia. Okay, cm per second. I will advise you write the unit. Okay, tulis saja unit dia. Kadang-kadang examiner nak juga unit kat situ. Okay, so just write the unit down. Okay, guys, clear? Question A, boleh dapat? Any problems? Very easy, right? Sangat straightforward, right? Okay, so we go next question. Okay, question B. Okay, so question B is about integration, pengamilan. Okay, so they combine differentiation and integration together. One question. Okay, so now the question is find the integration of this. Cari kamilan. Okay, so how to do this, guys? May I know? Macam mana buat yang ni? Okay, so first you must understand the meaning of this. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? It means that when you differentiate this, you get gx. Am I right? Bila kamu bezakan persamaan yang ni, kamu dapat fungsi gx. Itu maksud dia. So now, guys, first step, when you see this kind of question, what can you do to the integration sign? Apa kamu boleh buat? Okay, start slowly. Step by step, guys. So first step, kamu akan buat apa? Yes, pisahkan, guys. You separate. Okay, or in other words, you expand. Okay, you can expand something like this. Plus, integrate 3 dx. Okay, so now, gx. Gx kamu akan ganti dengan apa, guys? What will you substitute your gx with? May I know? Kamu ganti gx dengan apa, guys? Phi. What do you mean phi? Yes. Okay, phi over 1 minus x squared. Correct. Okay. So why do you substitute 5 over 1 minus x square? Because over here we are integrating gx, guys. Kita tengah kamekan gx. Okay, so when you differentiate this, you get gx. So guys, when you integrate gx, kamu dapat yang ni balik. Betul? This one is integration step. So means that gx is equal to this one after integration. Selepas pengambilan, gx akan dapat yang ni. Okay, so make sure you times 2 because there's a 2 in front. So you will get something like this. And then plus 3x. Is that all, guys? Itu sahaja ke jawapan saya? Is that finished already? Is this my answer? Yes or no? What is wrong? Apa yang salah? Expand, yes, you can. But other than that, what is wrong over here, guys? Apa salah? Yes. Don't forget, guys. Common mistake. Jangan lupa tambah C. Always you guys forget plus C. Because usually you guys do the definite integration. Biasanya kamu buat kamilan tentu. So tak ada tambah C. But you must remember, bila tak ada had, without any limit, you must add C. Okay? Pengamilan. Form 5, chapter 3. I thought equation only. No. The question never say equation, guys. Soalan tak tanya tentang persamaan. They just ask you to find integration of this one. Cari pengamilan yang ni sahaja. Okay, so that's all. This is your answer. Settle. 3 marks. Yes, must add plus C. Okay, guys. Are you clear? Soalan 4, 1 atau 2. Do you all understand? Why no need expand? You can expand if you want also. Okay, guys. Kalau kamu nak tulis jawapan macam ni pun boleh. No problem. Okay, you will still get full mark. Okay, but make sure plus C. Okay. 3x. Guys, kamikan 3, kamu dapat apa? Basic pengamilan, guys. When you integrate 3, what you get? 3x. Am I right? Yes. 3x tambah C. Okay? So, this is your answer. C can have constant or not? Yes? C is a constant, guys. C adalah pemala. So, C can equal to 8. C can equal to 7. C can be 4. Kita tak tahu. We don't know. Cannot. Where can have 2C? Okay. Why you think got 2C over there? Only one C over there. Okay, guys. Maybe you might think lah. Okay, when you integrate this, you must plus C. Am I right? When you integrate this, you must plus C. So you think plus 2C. Am I right? Kamu fikir macam ni kan, kena tambah 2C. Sepatutnya 2C kat sini. But to simplify things, untuk memudahkan perkara, we will just write a plus C. Okay? Usually when you have something like this, plus 2C, you can write it as a capital C. Plus C. C capital C mean that is equal to 2 small c. It's just a larger number. Nombor lebih besar. So kita guna huruf besar C. Kamu tulis huruf kecil pun tak apa. You write small letter also can. Is it possible that C has a constant or always C only without constant? C will have constant always. C is a constant. You must understand that. Okay? Next question. Okay, guys. So question number 5. May I know what chapter, what form? Soalan apa, tingkatan berapa? Yes. Form 4, chapter 8. Cannot. No such thing. Only in integration got plus C only. Don't have 2C. Okay, Form 4, chapter 8, yes. Okay, guys, so they ask you to use vectors triangle law. Hukum segitiga vector. Okay, so don't be scared. Jangan takut. It's just asking you to draw the triangle only. Okay, just lukis segitiga sahaja. Okay, so now, they ask you to find PQ, guys. They tell you PQ is a unit vector. So may I know unit vector mean what, guys? Vector unit tu maksudnya apa? Very important sentence. Ayat yang sangat penting. If you don't understand this, you cannot solve the question 1. Tak faham yang ni, tak boleh proceed. So may I know, what is the equation you can form here, guys? Apa persamaan kamu boleh bentuk dari sini? Anyone? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Tak nampak? So what is the equation you can form, guys? PQ is a unit vector. PQ adalah vector unit. So apa persamaan yang kamu boleh bentuk? dari pernyataan ni? Anyone? Come on, cuba fikir. Kalau tak tahu, cakap tak tahu. If you don't understand, just say don't understand. P plus Q. Bukan? Persamaan guys. Saya nak persamaan daripada ayat ni. I want information from this sentence. Okay guys, very simple. So apa persamaan yang kamu boleh bentuk dari situ? Bukan. First step guys, whenever you talk about unit vector, the meaning of unit vector is, yes, correct Karishan. It is equal to 1. Do you all understand? Boleh faham? Ini adalah persamaan yang kamu boleh bentuk. This is a very important sentence. Ayat yang sangat penting. If you don't get this one, you cannot solve the question. Tak boleh selesaikan. Because unit vector. Okay guys, unit vector. What is the formula for unit vector? Unit vector is vector divide what guys? Vector bagi apa? Anyone? Vector over what? Yes, vector over magnitude. So guys, unit vector means the vector when the magnitude is 1. Do you understand? Unit vector tu adalah vector bila magnitude dia 1. So maksudnya, kamu dapat persamaan ni lah. Boleh faham tak? Vector bila magnitude dia adalah 1. So this is your equation. Modulus PQ show magnitude. So modulus PQ equal to 1. So simple, right guys? Sangat senang saja. You just use the definition. Use the formula. Guna rumus dia. Unit vector is vector over magnitude. Whenever you see the word unit guys, bila tengok perkataan unit kan, dia maksudnya 1. Whenever you see the word unit, means 1. Okay, no other number. Okay, yes. Cari jarak sajalah. So guys, may I know what is the vector OP based on the question? Apa vector OP saya? Cuba bagi tahu. Based on all the information. Yes, that is the formula of magnitude. Uni. Part of the unit vector. Okay, that is formula for magnitude. But unit vector is vector divide magnitude. So do you understand? Yes. Okay, 2i tambah 3j. Okay, so OP you should get 2i plus 3j guys. Okay, so may I know OQ, what is your answer guys for the vector? Apa vector OQ kat sini? Very good. QI plus 2QJ. Okay, just use the coordinates guys. Guna coordinate yang diberi sahaja. Oh, guys, you must understand the letter O represent origin. Okay? O ni mewakili asalan, yaitu titik 00, 00. Of course, yes guys, vector we always use I and J. This is the common symbol untuk vector. I and J. Jangan guna simbol lain. Don't use other symbol. Okay? Kecuali soalan bagi tahu simbol lah. P dan Q. Contoh, let's say the question give you already. The vector is P and Q. Then kamu guna P and Q. Kalau soalan tak nyatakan apa-apa tentang vector, if the question never give you any information, you must use I and J. Okay? Alright. So you will get this information guys. So of course you must find PQ lah. Okay, kamu kena cari vector PQ. So PQ is equal to PO plus OQ. Okay, so buat jalan kira and then magnitude PQ equal to 1. Okay, so then kamu guna rumus magnitude. Okay, use the magnitude formula. Square root x square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, so this is x, this is y. That's all. Okay, then this equation, you square both sides. Kuasa dua belah persamaan. Kembangkan kuadratik. Selesaikan kuadratik, solve your quadratic equation, you will have 2 answers. Dapat 2 jawapan. So guys, may I know, do we need to reject any value here? Adakah kita kena tolak apa-apa nilai Q kat sini? Yes or no? No need. Okay, you have 2 answers guys. Okay, so why 2 answers? Because they say possible values. Values. Correct. Okay, plural guys. Okay, kamu kena juga faham bahasa tahu dalam NMATS. Language play a very important part in NMATS. If you don't understand the language correct, you still get wrong. Masih dapat salah. Okay, so make sure you see the question grammar carefully. Okay, then you will get the correct answer. Okay, understand guys? Question 5. Depend on the situation. Doesn't mean reject is always negative. You must see the question 1. Okay? Alright, so we go to question number 6 guys. Guys, vektor bahagi magnitude tu adalah unit vektor. Betul Ahmad? Unit vektor formula kamu adalah vektor xi tambah yj bahagi dengan punca kuasa 2 x kuasa 2 tambah y kuasa 2. Betul? So atas tu vektor, bawah tu magnitude. Itu adalah unit vektor. Vektor bila magnitude dia adalah 1. Boleh faham? Even if have to reject, I don't have to write out, right? When you reject, you must say reject. You must write there in the bracket reject. Tak tu x2 formula dia ke? Sada. Yes, yes. Yang ni nilai x, yang ni nilai y. Okay? Depan yes, correct. Kenapa tak guna formula tu, sir? Ahmad, formula apa? Oh, sebab soalan ni dia tak suruh kamu cari unit vector, Ahmad. Okay? Dia tak suruh kamu cari unit vector. They never ask you to find unit vector, guys. They just say PQ is a unit vector. So dari sini mereka nak kamu tahu magnitude PQ tu kena sama dengan 1. Itu sahaja. That's all. Okay? Kamu kena faham maksud ni. Selalu bila nampak unit vector, keluar persamaan ni. Okay? Kecuali soalan tanya cari unit vector. Find the unit vector. Then baru kamu guna rumus tu lah yang kamu nyatakan. Okay? Okay, wait guys. Power with root cancel ke? Power with root. Which one Oh, this one is square both side. Kuasa dua-dua belah. Okay, square both side of the equation. Okay, so the square root will hilang. Okay? Jawapan dia yang ni. Yes, hello Marcus. It's okay. We are already at question 6 actually. So I don't know whether that's late or not. Okay guys, can I proceed? 1 atau 2 untuk soalan 5? Understand, right? Very straightforward, right? Okay, next question. Question number 6. So this one is Form 4 Chapter 6. Am I right? Linear law. Hukum linear. Okay, so the question is find the value of P and Q. Cari nilai P and Q. Okay, so first you must read the statement. Okay, so they say the curve will pass through this point. Okay guys, first step, may I know this information, what will you do? Apa kamu akan buat menggunakan informasi ni? What is the information you can get? Apa kamu boleh dapat dari apa yang saya bulatkan? Yes. So what you will do? Guys, Form 4 Chapter 6, no turning point guys. Yang ni linear law guys. Hukum linear. PK. Think carefully. No turning point here. Nilai A. Apa tu nilai A? Yes, correct. Y equal to mx plus c. Correct guys. Okay, so now they say the curve pass through this point. Am I right? Lengkung tu melalui titik ni. So maksudnya apa guys? Apa langkah yang kamu boleh buat when they say the curve pass through the point? You can convert a curve to straight line guys. Linear law teach you how to convert curve equation to straight line. Am I right? You just follow what they ask you to plot. That is the step. Okay? So what you can do guys with this one? No. No. Guys, you must be careful. This is represent your x. This is represent your y. Correct guys. Substitute guys. Gantikan x sama dengan 1/2 dan y sama dengan -6 dalam persamaan ni. Just substitute the information. Okay, so that you can simplify the equation. Okay, so kamu akan ada satu persamaan dalam sebutan P dan Q. Betul? You will have one equation in term of P and Q. Because you already substitute x is half, y equal to -6. Okay, so now second equation. Whenever they ask you to find two variable guys, bila nak cari dua pemboleh ubah, kena guna kaedah apa guys? Two unknown. What method are we using? Selalunya dalam admaths, whenever you see two unknown, yes, persamaan serentak guys. Yes. Okay, elimination, substitution, simultaneous. Correct. Okay, so Now, second step. Now they say a graph of 1 over y against 1 over x is plotted. Okay, so means what guys? So kamu kena tukarlah persamaan dia. Okay, so when you do 1 over y, bila kamu buat 1 per y kat sini, you will have qx minus 1 over px. Okay, when you flip the y, bila kamu songsangkan y, pecahan ni auto akan flip juga. Okay, you have to inverse the fraction, songsangkan dia. Okay, so you'll get something like this. Okay, so now kamu boleh permudahkan, simplify until you get y equal to mx plus c. Boleh nampak guys? Persamaan ni adalah dalam format ni, correct? So now guys, may I know what is your gradient? Apa ungkapan bagi kecerunan kamu kat sini? What is your expression for gradient based on this equation? Yes, negative 1 over p. Dan negative 1 over p sama dengan apa guys? Is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, sebab soalan dah bagi tahu kecerunan dia adalah 1 per 8. Okay, so keluarlah satu lagi information. So you have negative 1 over p equal to 1 over 8. Okay, so you can get p equal to negative 8. Settle. Okay, so now gantikan. Okay, substitute inside the equation untuk cari nilai Q. Just now you have one equation, right? Tadi, bila kamu gantikan x equal to half and y equal to negative 6, you substitute over here, you have one equation already. Okay, so then you just substitute the p value, cari nilai Q. Find the Q value. Tak faham second line? Mana? Second line yang mana? Yang ni ke? This one. Oh, answer. Answer. Second line. This one lah. Yang ni. Adakah yang tu? Oh, equation tadi. Yang ni. Atas. Oh. This one lah guys. Yang saya bulatkan. Kalau yang tu, kamu kena songsangkan sahaja. You just inverse guys. Whenever you have y become 1 over y, yang ni akan terbalik. This one will flip tadi. Okay, dia akan songsang. Sangat senang guys. I use one concept only. X equal to 3 over 8. Okay, katakan saya bagi tahu kamu informasi yang ni. I give you this information. So guys, may I know what is 1 over x? Apa jawapan dia guys? Kamu bagi tahu saya. 1 over x equal to what? Yes, same concept guys. Boleh nampak kat? Nampak tak? Okay, y equal to px over qx minus 1. So, 1 over y equal to qx minus 1 over px. Same format. Can you all see it? Simple, right? Boleh faham sekarang? 1 or 2? Okay, so then kamu gantikan sajalah. Just substitute in your original equation. Cari nilai Q. Okay? So, soalan 6 dah habis juga. Okay, question 6 done already. Okay, so now we go to question 7. Okay. Actually, the question is easy, guys. Guys, I tell you, right, the 6 first question that I discuss now is actually considered easy. Am I right? Do you all feel like that? Rasa macam tu kan sangat senang kan? Mulai soalan 7 dia akan terbalik dah. When you start question 7, you will see how the difficulty changes. Okay, kamu nampak soalan ni. Okay. 7 mark lah guys. 7 markah. Jangan main-main. 7 marks for question number 6. So nak tengok skema tu. Nanti saya akan hantar PDF. Jangan risau. I will share the PDF to you guys. Okay. So I go on question number 7. Okay guys. So this one what chapter guys? May I know? Bab apa, tingkatan apa yang ni? Yes. Kamu semua suka yang ni kan guys? You all love this chapter a lot, right? Circular measure. Okay, form 5 chapter 1. If you love circle, means you love this chapter 1. Kalau kamu seorang yang suka bulatan, kamu pasti suka bab ni. Okay? But actually, a lot of K-Bar question come out from this chapter. Banyak soalan K-Bar suka keluar dari bab ni. Konsep dia senang, tapi bila keluar K-Bar susah. The concept on this chapter is very short. But when they ask you K-Bar question, you must be prepared. Because they will make it hard. Because the concept is easy. Okay, so now guys, first question. They tell you the radius of circle is h and the radius of COD is k. Alright, so circle means this one. This one is H, and then COD. So COD is K. So means all this value is K. So kamu label lah. When you see the information, you just label on your diagram. Okay, so now they give you information. Length of arc, CP and PD are the same. Okay, lengkor PC dan CD sama. Okay guys, this tell you an important information. So now, may I know, what will be your angle COD? COD apa nilai dia dari informasi yang ni? Anyone? COD? COD sangat senang. So what is your answer? Radian lah guys, radian. Sorry, dalam unit radian. How much? Yes. Okay, 2/3 pi. Correct. Okay, so this one is state. Nyatakan maksudnya tak ada jalan kira. No working. Direct to the answer. Okay, so soalan A habis. Okay, next one. They ask you to find H and K. Cari nilai K kepada integer terhampir. Okay, so be careful lah. Nearest integer. Integer terhampir. So guys, may I ask you, the answer you get, will it be a whole number or decimal in this question? Adakah kamu akan dapat jawapan nombor bulat atau jawapan desimal? Perpuluhan bagi soalan B. Kamu rasa? Before I convert guys, before I round off, you should get decimal. Am I right? Because if you don't get decimal, why the question asks you to give it to the nearest integer? Am I right? The question say nearest integer. Means the answer before it should be in a decimal. If you get a whole number earlier itself, by calculation directly, means that your answer is wrong. Okay, jawapan kamu salah. Kalau dapat nombor bulat sebelum kamu bundakan kepada integer terhampir. Okay? Yes, correct. Guys, for question A, this one is 120. Can you see it? Okay, this whole thing is 120. One circle is 360, guys. Okay, satu bulatan 360. Okay? Question won't be wrong lah, guys. In NMATS, usually won't be wrong one. Soalan takkan salah. Don't worry. NMATS all will be correct. Maybe other subjects boleh salah. Tapi NMATS jarang. Okay, guys. So they ask you to find H and K. Okay, so they tell you first information. Perimeter of... Okay, before that, when they ask you to find two variable, dua unknown. Konsep apa, guys? Sekali lagi saya tanya. Dua benda H and K. What concept you're using? Yes. Serentak, guys. Simultaneous equation. Okay? So they say perimeter of minus sector AOB. Okay, minus sector AOB. Okay, so mana dia? Okay, so now I ask you guys, minus sector AOB. Adakah yang ni ataupun yang ni? Sada. Which one is the minus sector AOB? May I know? Biru atau merah? Yes, of course blue lah. Sebab minor maksudnya luas dia lebih kecil. Okay, smaller area. So definitely it's the blue one. Okay, so they already tell you the radius is H. Okay, means this one is H. This one also H. Okay guys, may I know what is this length? Apa panjang yang ni? You can use the formula for length of arc. Panjang lengkok. Okay, so first step. This angle is how much? Sudut ni berapa? Yang merah. Sada. This one. What is the angle for the red one? Yes, 60 degree guys. Okay, yang ni adalah 60 darjah or pi over 3 radian. Okay, so then just S equal R theta. Okay, so R adalah H, sudut pi over 3. So means that you have pi H over 3. Okay, so first equation you already get. Kamu boleh selesaikan. Okay, so you have this information. Okay, so H plus 1 over 3 H pi is actually 1.047. Okay, nilai ni guys, 1 over 3 pi adalah yang ni, 1.047 after you tekan calculator. Okay, equal to this one. Okay, so then you just solve for H lah. Selesaikan H, dapat jawapan. Senang kan guys? Very simple, right? Okay, and then make sure you give your answer to whole number. Bagi jawapan kepada nombor bulat. Okay, because they say integer. Okay, so then dapat H, now we must find the K. Okay, so you look at the second information. They say the area of shaded region 8.376. Okay guys, may I know what is the concept to find the area of shaded region here? Apa konsep yang kamu guna untuk dapat yang ni? Anyone can tell what is the concept? Yes, minus, guys. You take this area minus this area. Okay, red minus blue. Then you get the shaded region. Wow, skip so much. Never mind. Okay, so again, may I know what is the formula, guys, for area of sector? Apa rumus dia? Luas sektor. Siapa boleh ingatkan saya? Yes, 1/2. Guys, for circular measure, area of sector 1/2 R square theta. Am I right? Bukan. Setengah pi R square adalah untuk semi bulatan, guys. Okay, 1/2 pi R square is semicircle. For area of sector is 1/2 R square theta. Okay, ingat guys, luas sektor ini adalah rumus dia. Area of sector. Okay, theta. Theta dalam darjah atau radian? Is your theta in the degree or radian? Yes. This chapter always remember radian. Bab ni selalunya kena radian saja. Jangan guna degree. Okay? So, then kamu akan dapat persamaan ni lah. Okay, just get the equation. Okay? Wait. Can you repeat as is? Okay, this one. You want to find this length. Am I right? Question already tell the radius of the circle is h. Okay, this angle is 60 degree because this whole angle is 120. So 120/2 equals 60. Correct, Uni? Okay, so 60 is pi/3 radian. Correct? So now if you want to find this, you will take s equal to r theta. So r 1/3 pi times h. Okay, get it? So then you just add up everything because they ask you to find perimeter. Perimeter means you plus the 3 length, tambah ketiga panjang. So you get something like this. Okay, h plus h. This one is 1/3 pi h. Okay, 1.047 h is same as 1/3 pi h. Okay, are you clear now? Should be okay, right? Okay, so then kamu boleh cari nilai k. Okay guys, so make sure you only take the positive answer. Ambil nilai positif saja because we are talking about length, panjang. Okay, so negative answer reject. So k equal to 3. Understand, guys? Cannot write both. You must write k equal -3 must reject. Okay? So, understand, guys? Question 7, 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Senang kan? Very simple, right? Guys, you do this whole thing, right? You get 6 marks, guys. Untung kan? 6 markah tau, guys. So short. Sangat pendek saja. 6 marks. Just like that. So actually not that hard. Tak sangat susah. Okay, now guys. We already coming to question number 8. Sangat pantas. Okay, question 8 already. Okay, so now what chapter, guys? This one? If no, ignore part, my teacher don't give last mark. Yes, correct. Okay. I thought marker. No. If got something wrong there, like the final answer, especially final answer, they will deduct mark. Maybe other places still okay. But final answer, they are very strict one. Distribution, yes. Guys, this is your Form 5, Chapter 5. Probability distribution. Tabuhan kebarangkalian. Okay, guys, first question. They ask you to shade the region that represent this equation. So may I know which part you will change, guys? Which part you will shade? Bahagian mana kamu akan lorek, guys? Okay, A, B, C, D. Bagi tahu saya jawapan yang kamu akan lorek. Congratulations, guys. You all get trick already. Kamu semua dah kena. So guys, whenever modulus means what, guys? Modulus is positive, negative, guys. Means you have to shade on both area, A and D. Bukan semua, A dan D sahaja. A and D only. Modulus Z means can be A or negative A. Yes. No, guys, no half mark. When the question is 1 mark, you either get 0 mark or 1 mark. Tak ada half mark, guys, dalam maths. Okay, don't be so hopeful. It's either 0 or 1. Okay, understand? So you just shade the correct region. Okay, next one. They give you another graph, normal. Okay, so they ask you to state the value of K. Cari nilai K. Okay, guys, how to do this? Macam mana buat yang ni? May I know? How? They ask you to find the K value. Okay, the keyword is this one. Divided to 3 equal part. Dibahagi kepada 3 bahagian sama. Okay, so can I ask you, what is the probability for A, guys? Apa kebarangkalian untuk A? Anyone? What's the answer? Kebarangkalian A. Come on. Guys, 3 equal part. 3 bahagian sama. Yes, 1/3, guys. A is 1/3, B is 1/3, C is 1/3. Can you understand? Because total probability must be what, guys? Jumlah kebarangkalian berapa selalunya? 1 kan? Yes. Okay, that's why 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equal to 1. Okay, that's why they say divided to 3 equal part. 3 bahagian sama. Okay, so now, can you find the K? I think very easy, right? Sebab you already have the probability. So you can write like this. Probability X greater than K equal to 1/3. I'm talking for this one. Okay? So how to solve this, guys? Refer the table. Am I right? Rujuk jadual sahaja. Okay, because your equation, everything is correct already. Okay, first thing, you must make sure your sign point to the right. Simbol ketaksaman kena ke arah sebelah kanan. Correct. Untuk persamaan ni betul. Is your probability less than 0.5, guys? Yes. Okay, my probability is less than 0.5. 1/3. 1/3. So you can direct refer your table for the answer. Okay, terus rujuk jadual saja. Clear, guys? Can you get it? So if you refer your table directly, you will get the answer K equal to 0.431. Can? Boleh? Easy, right, guys? 0.431. Okay, so this one state, so no working. Tak ada jalan kira. Because they say state. Okay, nyatakan. Okay, now guys, this one is a very interesting question. Very, very interesting and controversial question. Okay, yang ni banyak kontroversi on the SPM. What is mode? Okay, guys. And maths, you all never learn mode, right? Kamu semua tak pernah belajar kan mode dalam maths. Am I right? Okay, so how to know? Okay, so first step, you know the probability is 1/3. Am I right? Correct. Okay, mode is the one that is frequent, guys. Nilai yang kerap. So guys, when your probability is 1/3, your Z-score is equal to 0.431. Am I right? Based on just now answer. But guys, for A, your Z-score will become negative. Okay, score Z akan datang negative. Why? Okay, so you have to write the inequality sign. Okay, so probability X less than negative K. Sorry, this one is Z, not X. Z less than negative K equal to 1/3. Am I right? Okay, so now, how do I modify this, guys? Macam mana saya nak ubah yang ni? Okay, so negative K should equal to what, guys? Negative K kena sama dengan apa? 0.431. Am I right? Because tadi kat sini K kita dapat 0.431. So negative K sama dengan apa, guys? Negative K akan sama dengan, so K akan sama dengan negative 0.431. Do you all understand? So that is your answer. Itu adalah jawapan kamu. So your mode is just negative 0.431. Just your negative score Z. Itu saja. Okay, because that Z-score value will give you the probability 1/3. Score Z yang ni akan bagi nilai kebarangkalian 1/3. Okay, and 1/3 is the most frequent probability. Am I right? Sebab 1/3 adalah kebarangkalian yang paling besar untuk rantau A. Okay, 1/3 is the largest you can go because the total probability for A is 1/3. So what value give you 1/3? What Z-score? Score Z apa bagi kebarangkalian 1/3? Negative K or negative 0.431 because K is already 0.431 based on your part 1 answer. Can you explain how you get K? Refer table only. Guys, 0.3333. Tengok jadual tabuhan normal. Refer your normal table. You will get the value 0.431. That's all. Direct refer table only. Okay? So there's no working. tak ada jalan kira. Okay, 1 or 2 guys for question 8. We have done question 8 already. Sudah habis soalan 8. 1 Okay, continue. Question number 9. Okay, so question number 9. What chapter, guys? If you check and see. Yeah, very short. Very, very short one. So guys, this question, what chapter? If you refer, it's actually the same chapter. Am I right? Okay, bab sama sebenarnya. Wait guys. Let me try to get this out. There you go. Cannot, never mind. We direct leave it here. Okay, guys. So first question. They ask you whether the statement is true, guys. Don't worry, don't worry. I will read for you guys. Okay, so the question is, they ask whether the statement is true. Adakah pernyataan benar? Huh? Why modern maths? This one admaths, guys. Guys, don't think admaths cannot ask fakta question. Admaths pun boleh tanya soalan fakta sebenarnya. They can ask you factual question. So be prepared. Okay? So now, guys, you have to read the situation lah. Kamu kena baca. Okay, so they say, he asked this person to collect the shoe size of the classmate. Okay, and they say that I know that the data is already a random variable. Okay, so this is the concept over here. So the question is it true or not? Adakah size kasut pemboleh ubah discrete ke tak? Is the shoe size a discrete random variable? Yes or no? What do you all think? Cuba fikir. Is the shoe size a discrete random variable? Adakah size kasut pemboleh ubah discrete? Yes or no? What do you all think? Yes. Okay, so why yes? Why is it discrete? Kenapa discrete, guys? What do you all think? Okay, correct. Okay, discrete can be counted, guys. Guys, you all know, right? Pemboleh ubah discrete boleh dikira. Guys, your shoe size can count or not? May I know? Adakah size kasut boleh dikira? Boleh kan? Size 5, size 6, size 9, size 10. This means that it can be counted. Boleh dikira. Okay, so you just answer the statement is true. Cool, because shoe size can be counted. Okay, size kasut boleh dikira. Okay, guys, that's all. Continuous is your normal graph, and then discrete is your binomial graph. Okay, contoh not discrete. Contoh not discrete adalah markah exam kamu, guys. Markah exam dalam SPM, dia akan follow normal distribution. Senang saja. Itu contoh bukan discrete lah. Maksudnya selanjar, continuous. No, guys. Your discrete graph is like this. You will have palang like this. Have you all seen, guys? Your discrete graph will be something like this. X equal to R, Px equal to R. No, this is your binomial graph. Ini adalah graph tabuhan binomial. Okay, guys? Okay, so next question. Okay, another show question. Kamu kena buktikan yang ni, guys, for question B1. Okay, so how? Okay, so you have to read the statement. Okay, so they say over here, at most 1 is 11 times not hitting the target. Okay, guys, so may I know, selebih-lebihnya, at most, apa simbol ketaksamaan dia, guys? What is the inequality symbol for at most? Are you sure, guys? At most, careful, selebih-lebihnya. Yang ni. This is your sign, guys. Correct. Lebih kurang atau sama dengan. Okay, so they say at most 1. So means that probability X less than or equal to 1. Okay, equal to 11 times. 11 kali. Okay, so it means that equal to 11. Lepas tu 11 times. Times maksudnya darab. Okay, 11 times not hitting the target. Guys, tidak kena sasaran. Maksudnya X sama dengan apa, guys? If not hitting the target. Probability X sama dengan berapa? Tak sentuh sasaran. So maksudnya X equal to what, guys? If you never hit the target. 1 kat sini. Ahmad. Tak ada. Kat sini. sekali. Sekali maksudnya satu. Betul? Selebih-lebihnya sekali. Okay, so guys, tidak kena sasaran maksudnya X sama dengan berapa guys? If you do not hit the target, X equal to, common sense guys, logic saja. Anyone? Hello? Answer? Yes. X equal to 0. Okay, tak sentuh target maksudnya kosong lah. Okay, X equal to 0. Logic, right? Takkan X sama dengan 2 kalau tak sentuh target. Am I right? Okay, definitely 0. Okay, so guys, this question is binomial or normal? Cuba fikir. Soalan ni menguji binomial atau normal? Yes, binomial of course. Okay, so you just need to use this equation, guna persamaan ni untuk buktikan yang ni. That's all. Okay, so you can refer over here. Okay, so you just substitute your informations. Okay, gantikan sahaja. Okay, so your binomial formula is NCR. Wait NCR P power R Q power N minus R. Okay, so you just use this formula, gantikan semua informasi, dapat yang ni. Okay, you will get this information. Okay, then kamu simplify. Okay guys, NC0 sama dengan 1. So kamu boleh potong. Okay, just cancel it out. Okay, and then NC1 is equal to N. Okay, kamu tekan calculator, kamu faham. You just press 5C1, you will get 5. You press 4C1, you will get 4. Okay, like that only. All right. Variable stands for what? Which variable? I don't understand. Variable. Oh, variable is like P and Q, N, R. Basically, it's alphabet. Variable is an alphabet. Okay. All right. So next one. Okay. So Px equal to 0. NC0, P power 0, Q power N. Okay. Just use the formula. Guna rumus sahaja. All right. Then you just rearrange. Okay. Susun sampai dapat yang ni. Okay, until you can show the answer. Okay, can you guys understand? One or two? Satu atau dua? Oh, success, failure, trials. Variable is none of these. Success, failure, and trial are all different things. Variable is discrete random variable, something like that. Binomial is a discrete random variable. Okay. Success, failure, and trials are just the terms only. Trial is N, success is P, failure is Q. Okay? Okay guys, so you will get something like this. Okay, your equation will be like this. Boleh faham guys? Do you all understand how I get to the answer? One or two? Satu atau dua? Can you comment? Come on. Are you all sleeping already? Tertidur? One or two guys? I need to see your number. Satu atau dua? Okay. Go up. Can? Okay. What do you want to ask? Where? This question, right? What is what? I don't understand you. Later you ask me your question. I want to finish the paper. Later you ask me the question. Okay? So we go on. Okay, so next one. No time already, guys. I need to finish the paper. Okay, next one. They ask you to find the value of P and Q. Okay, cari nilai P dan Q if the mean is 6. Okay, guys, may I know what is the formula for mean, guys? Apa rumus mean? Anyone? Binomial? Come on. Mean equal to what? Yes. NP, guys. Mean is NP. Bowen, how can fx over f? Fx over f is modern maths. Am I right? Okay. This one is admaths. Okay. NP. Okay. So, guys, P is equal to what? May I know? P sama dengan apa? Apa kamu boleh katakan? P is equal to equation. I mean equation. Okay. So P is equal to 1 minus Q. Am I right? P sama dengan 1 tolak Q. Betul? So means that my NP is actually equal to 10Q. Betul? Okay, so then they already tell you that your mean is 6. Maksudnya NP sama dengan 6. Okay, so 6 is equal to 10Q. So, selesaikan sajalah. Just solve for your Q. Okay, so then P will equal to 2 over 5 because total probability P plus Q should equal to 1. Okay, P tambah Q mesti dapat 1. Okay, so that's all. Question 9 done already. Okay, so 1 or 2 guys? 1 atau 2? 1 or 2 guys, come on. Focus, focus. Don't see any other people. Focus. Okay, 1 Okay, next one. Number 10 Okay, so what chapter is this, guys? Okay, your favorite, right? This one you must score full mark lah, guys, so, about me. Kena dapat markah penuh. If you don't get full mark means that you don't have enough practice on the chapter. Okay, so now 10A, 10A 1 and 2. May I know 1 and 2 test on combination or permutation? Which one? Pilih atau gabungan? Soalan ni. Some more people? What do you all say? P or C? P or C? P or C? Come on. P or G untuk BM? Pilih atau gabungan? Guys, come on. Respond. Pilih atau gabungan soalan ni? Which one? Guys, see carefully, guys. Number of different way. Bilangan cara. Guys, if your arrangement doesn't matter, then it's C, you know. Kalau susunan tak penting is combination. Gabungan. Okay? Cannot be both one. Guys, the question can only test you on one thing. Soalan hanya boleh uji satu perkara, which is either combination or permutation. So this one is combination. Okay? Okay, so first question. They say she want to buy notebook only. Okay, dia nak bayar buku catatan sahaja. Okay? So they tell you it's RM24, guys. RM24. Okay, so may I know, notebook only means how many notebook over here, guys? Berapa buku catatan sekarang? She want to spend RM24 and now she only buy notebook. Dia hanya beli buku catatan. So how many buku catatan we have based on the price? Yes, 6 guys, 6. 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. Because this one is the price for one item. Satu item sahaja. Means one item, one notebook, RM4. So if you spend RM24, means that 6 notebook. Am I right? 6 buku catatan. Okay, so now, how many ways she can buy it? Okay, so you have 10 notebook. Am I right? 10 secara total, nak beli 6. So what will be the expression? 10 C6. That's all. Habis. Okay, 10 C6. So this is your answer. Press calculator. Okay. So next one. They ask you the number of notebook is at most equal to the number of pen. Okay, so notebook. At most, guys, revise. What is the symbol? Selebih-lebihnya. Apa simbol dia? Tadi banyak orang salah. At most. What is your inequality symbol? Simbol ketaksamaan. Yes, less than or equal to 10. So this is your expression now. Okay, so now guys, you have, let me see, 8 pen and 10 notebook. Okay, so what are the possibilities now? Okay, so you must think and see what are the possible number of ways I can do this. Okay, so you must take note now, guys. You want to spend RM24. Kamu kena belanja yang ni. Okay, so you cannot choose a combination where you have greater than this amount. Kamu tak boleh melepasi RM24. Okay, so you must be careful on that. Okay, so now, the first combination will be 4 pen and 4 notebook. Okay, you check and see, guys. 8, 16. So total, you get 24. Am I right? So it's correct. This combination is correct. So 4 pen, 4 notebook. Betul. Okay, second combination. Okay, let's say I want 6 pen, 3 notebook. 6 pen, 3 notebook. Okay, so you check and see total also 24. Betul? 12 plus 12, 24. Okay, third combination, 8, 2. Okay, so you see 8 pen, 2 notebook. 8 times 2, 16. 4 times 2, 8. 16 plus 8, 24 also. So this is your second case. This is your third case. Boleh faham, guys? So make sure your cases fulfill this one. 8 pen, 10 notebook. So kena tally lah. Okay, just make sure everything tally. So you have total 3 case. Okay, so you just need to times between the case. Dalam case sama darab, between the same case you times, and different case yang berbeza kamu tambah kat tengah-tengah. Okay, so then you just press calculator, get answer. Okay, are you clear guys? 1 or 2 untuk soalan 10 ni? Can, right? Number 10. Okay, continue. Next one. Okay, this one is what question guys? May I know? Permutation or combination this one? Tadi gabungan, just now combination. So means that automatically this one should be permutation. Yes, this is how you identify guys. Kalau tadi gabungan, yang ni pasti pilih atau dah. Tak payah fikir. Okay, because they will separate usually to 2 different section. No, so under the same question. This one is part B guys. Yang ni adalah bahagian B. Still soalan nombor 10. Okay, so this permutation. Okay, so the first question, they say first 3 character is A8A. Okay, so they want to form 5 digit passcode. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so they say the first 3 digit is this one. So guys, all of these will be 1. Satu cara sahaja. Betul? Sebab kamu tak boleh tukar. You cannot change it. It's fixed already. Okay? Keyword usually right guys, when you see password, kata kunci, biasanya dia adalah pilih atau permutation. Because the arrangement is important right guys, when you set a password. Susunan dia penting kan? Kata laluan. Kalau susunan tak penting, maksudnya siapa pun boleh hack kan phone kamu. Any hacker can guess the password and then enter. Kalau susunan tak penting. Betul kan guys? Fikir logik. Kalau susunan tak penting dalam password kamu, sesiapa pun boleh masuk kan? So that's why soalan ni pilih atau lah permutation. Okay? Think logic guys. Sometimes admins kena fikir logic. Okay? So now, the last 2 digit here guys. May I know what number will you fill in here? Nombor apa kena isi kat sini? Okay, so now you must think and see. Alphabet. How many alphabet we have guys? Can you tell me? Berapa huruf kita ada di dunia ni? Cuba kira. What is the answer? Anyone get this wrong? I send you back to primary school. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 26 guys. 26. Merdu tak guys saya nyanyi? Is it very nice to the ear? I sing A, B, C, D. Tak merdu Ayo. Sorry Magnificent Next time you record my voice if I sing very nicely, then you can post somewhere. Doctor. Oh yeah, sorry. Saya tak boleh nyanyi yang ni. Lepas tu tertidur pula. Sorry guys. If I make anyone sleep. Very demure, right? Gen Z. Okay, so 26 times 2. So you have 52. Okay, so mengapa darab 2 guys? Because kamu ada huruf besar dan huruf kecil. Am I right? So 26 times 2, you have 52. How many numbers we have guys in this world? Berapa nombor yang kita ada di dunia ni? Boleh saya tahu? Yes, 9. Okay, are you sure 9? Yes, 10 guys. 0 sampai 9 actually is 10 numbers. Yes, 0 to 9 is 10 numbers. Remember. Okay, so you must plus 10. So total you have 62 now. Okay, so 62, you use up 1, you use up 2, you use up 3. 62 kamu guna 3. So baki 59, kamu isi 59 lah. Minus 1, 58. Okay, so why kena minus 1? Because they say without repetition guys. Tanpa pengulangan. So the total has to decrease by 1. So that you don't repeat. Untuk elakkan kebarangkalian kamu tu ulang nombor. That's why 59, lepas tu 58. Okay? Do you guys understand? So your answer is just 3, 4, 2, 2. Understand? 1 or 2 guys? Untuk soalan B1. Can Okay, next one. They say first character must be non-vowel. And then at least 2 prime number. Okay, this one more complex a bit. Okay, so they say non-vowel capital letter followed by at least 2 prime number. Okay, may I know what are the prime number we have guys? Berapa nombor perdana kita ada 0 sampai 9. How many? Think and see quickly. How many prime number? Yes, that's all lah. 2, 3, 5, 7. Settle. Okay, you cannot go greater than that, guys, because our limit is until number 9 only. Okay, stop at number 9. Okay, so you have 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so from here, we can actually separate to different cases. Okay, first case, non-vowel followed by 2 prime number. Okay, we start with 2 prime number. Okay, because they say at least 2, guys. At least 2 mean greater than or equal to 2. Betul? So, lebih besar atau sama dengan 2. So, you can have 3 cases. 2 prime number, 3 prime number, or 4 prime number. Okay, because our total prime number is 4. That's why I stop at 4. Okay, so you can have 2, 3, or 4. Okay, now, first case is 2 prime number. 2 nombor perdana. Okay, so again, it is 5 digit. Okay, so first digit, non-vowel. Okay, non-vowel means what, guys? How many vowel we have, guys, in this world? May I know? Berapa huruf vokal kita ada? Siapa ni salah? Saya nak bagi dah. Who give a wrong answer? You wait. Okay, yes, lucky you all correct. Okay, the answer is 5. So means that 26 total minus 5. So consonant, you have 21, guys. 21 consonant. So non-vowel means consonant lah. So that's why you have number 21. Okay, then continue. 2 prime number. Okay, so prime number, you have 4. So that's why times 4, and then the rest. Okay, so you already, let me think. Okay, so total just now 62, right? Okay, so now one of it will still be 62. Okay, so why 62, guys? Because they didn't mention without repetition. Okay, mereka tak cakap tanpa pengulangan. Means that you can repeat. Kamu boleh ulang sebenarnya. Okay, that's why they say 62. If they never mention without repetition, means you assume you can repeat. Kamu anggap kamu boleh repeat untuk soalan 2. Because they never say without repetition. Okay, that's why you got 62. Okay, lepas tu, untuk yang terakhir, 58. Okay, because kamu dah pilih 4 kan? You already chosen 4 letter and number. So total 62 minus 4, you have 58. Okay, let's say you put 62 times 58 pun boleh. If you want to write in this order also can. You still get the same answer. 21 times 4 times 4 times 62 times 58. Also can. Okay, next one. 3 prime number. Okay, so you follow the same pattern. 21 times 4 times 4 times 4. 3 times. Okay, and then 62 total minus 4 number. Because 4 number already chosen here. 4 number and letter. Okay, so you're left with 58. Okay, last case. 21 at the start. 4, because 4 prime number, 4. Okay, and yeah, you can repeat over here. Kamu boleh ulang. Sebab soalan tak kata apa-apa. The question never mention anything. So you assume you can repeat. Okay, so you just add up everything. Total you should get, wow, very big number, guys. Soalan nombor sangat besar. So this is your final answer. Okay, are you clear, guys? Soalan 10, can? Boleh faham? Okay, next one. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, number 11, guys. Question asks you to show. Okay, kamu kena buktikan. Okay, so may I know how to show this, guys? Macam mana tunjukkan yang ni? This one kebat, guys. So can anyone answer me? Bagi saya cadangan. Come on. What is your suggestion? How should I show this one? Kena fikir lah. You must think a bit. Okay, so first step. First step, you can start with try to find this length. Okay, cuba cari panjang yang ni. Okay, because they never label for you yet. Okay, so they already give you the information. BC is 2 plus X. Okay, yes. The concept is you must use theorem Pythagoras for BD. Okay, so BD kamu guna macam ni lah. Okay, you will get panjang BD. Guna theorem Pythagoras saja. Okay, 2 plus X square minus 2 minus X square. Okay, so square root 8x. Okay, so this length, it is square root 8x. Okay, now is the tough part. Sekarang bahagian ni susah, guys. How do I show this? Macam mana saya nak tunjuk yang ni? Okay, you refer to the second information, guys. AD square is equal to this one. So you think and see, guys. What should I do now? Saya kena buat apa sekarang, guys? Try to think and see. Kalau kamu dapat langkah ni, kamu boleh tunjuk dah. You can show already if you get this step. Anyone? Come on. Think and see. Saya kena buat apa sekarang? Come on guys. Cuba respond. What should I do now? Your mind must be active guys. Kena fikir. I cannot always tell you the answer. Saya tak boleh bagi tahu kamu jawapan selalu. Okay, yes. Very smart. Okay, you can square root guys. The AD. Correct. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay guys, may I know AD is equal to what? AD sama dengan apa? Berdasarkan wajah ni. AD is equal to what? Anyone? This is the idea. This is the idea you must have now. AD sama dengan apa guys? Cuba fikir. Based on the diagram. No. Where got H? Where you get H? Yes. Very smart. AB plus BD guys. AB tambah BD. You get AD equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, congratulations. If you get this step, you can already show. Kamu boleh tunjuk. Okay, so you just substitute all the information. Yes. That's why saya punca kuasa 2. Nampak Ahmad? Saya letak punca kuasa 2. Okay? Saya nak AD, bukan AD kuasa 2. Okay? Okay guys. So now, after you get this step, you must square both sides. Kamu kena kuasa 2, dua-dua belah persamaan. Okay, so that you can find your X value. Okay, so when you square both sides, you just do your quadratic expansion lah. Kembangkan macam biasa yang ni, quadratic. Okay, until you get the answer. Kuasa 2 tu D punya ke atau AD? D punya? Apa maksud D punya? Apa itu D? Yang ni AD. Yang ni AB. Yang ni BD. Okay? If square pergi, yes, correct. Guys, if square, you shift to the other side, become square root. Okay? So, lepas tu kembangkanlah macam biasa. Okay guys, over here, you must factorize out the X. Because you want to find the X value. Kamu nak cari nilai X. Okay, now guys, when you factorize out, you will get something like this. Kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay, don't stop over here. Jangan henti. Can our answer have cert guys? At the denominator, may I know? Kat penyebut pecahan boleh ke ada cert? Very good. Tak boleh. Selalu ingat. So what do you do guys? Rationalize. Okay, rasionalkan penyebut pecahan. Guna cert conjugate. Okay, conjugate cert. So 9 plus 2 cert 8. Conjugate plus change to minus. That's all. Okay, then kembangkan. Just expand normally. And then finally you will get the answer. Dapat jawapan. Understand guys? Simple or not? Senang kan? Okay, semua yang ni senang. Idea ke atas sahaja susah. This idea guys. This idea is the hardest. Yang ni paling susah. If you don't get this one, you cannot do the question. Habis. Okay, walaupun kamu tahu semua tentang cert, masih tak boleh. AD square equal to AD kuasa 2. Mana Ahmad? Saya tak faham. AD square equal to AD kuasa 2. Sama lah. Kenapa? Tak faham. Oh, because you want to get rid of the square root guys. Kamu nak hilangkan punca kuasa yang ni. Guys, you square both sides because you want to get rid of the square root. Okay, that's why you square both sides. Supaya kamu hanya dapat yang ni sahaja. Okay, that's all. Alright. Okay, thank you. Okay, question number 12 guys. We are going to finish already. Lagi 3 soalan. Okay, so now they ask you to terbitkan, derive this one guys. Okay, so may I know, do you all know how to derive guys? Have you all tried to derive this one? Very easy, sangat senang. You must know SPM can ask how to derive this one. Macam mana terbitkan 3 marks, 3 markah. Okay, so how to do? Okay, very simple. Your first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. Okay, how you get this guys? Second term kamu gantikan N sama dengan 2 lah. Third term kamu ganti N sama dengan 3 lah. So kamu dapat semua yang ni. You get all the information. Okay, now you will have to write out. Okay, so T1 is actually A plus 1 minus 1D. T2 is A plus 2 minus 1D. T3 is A plus 3 minus 1D. So guys, you already proven. Senang tak guys? Sangat senang lah. Like this you do, you get 3 mark. That's all. Okay, means the 1, 2 and 3 is the thing that is changing. Selalunya apa yang berubah kita akan bagi simbol N. When you see something changing in a pattern, you change it to the N symbol. The mark is given like this. Okay, you can see which part you get the mark. Okay, so when you get this one is 1 mark, this one is 1 mark, and the final answer 1 mark. Okay, all right. So we go next question. Soalan B1. Okay, this one slightly hard, but I think still okay. All right, so we see this one. Okay, so they tell you the 31st triangle area is 72, 72. Okay, and then your A is equal to 30D. Okay, so they want you to find the value of D. Okay, guys, so may I know what is the formula for area of triangle? Anyone? Apa rumus luas segitiga? The basic one. Very basic. Of course, you won't get lah. Final answer come with the previous 2 working. You don't have the previous 2 working, final mark, bye-bye. Okay? Half BH. Yes, correct. Okay, luas segitiga, this is the formula. Half times base times height. Okay, so your base is, we don't know the base. Kita tak tahu tapak dia, but we know the height. The height is 12 cm, guys. So you have the equation already. Okay, so your equation will have like this. Okay, so you can say half times 12 times x equal to 72. Yes. Okay, so you solve, you will get x equal to 12. Okay, so now they ask you to find D. Cari nilai D. Okay, so D is actually for the 31st triangle, guys. Segitiga ke 31. So means that I must find the 31st triangle. Am I right? Saya kena cari untuk yang ke 31. Okay? So how do I find T31? I can use A plus N minus 1D formula. Okay, so T31, I will have this one. Okay, now we are comparing the length, guys. You must understand. We are comparing the base length, panjang tapak. Okay, so our T31 represent the base length for the 31st triangle. Panjang tapak segitiga ke 31. Okay, so it will be equal to 12. Okay, so this is the information you have. Okay, so now we already given this information. Soalan bagi tahu yang ni. A equal to 30D. So kamu gantikan sajalah kat sini. Just substitute. Okay, and then selesaikan, solve the equation. You already get the answer. Okay, understand guys? B1, senang kan? Very simple lah. Okay, next one. B2. Okay, B2 lebih susah sikit. Harder a bit. Okay, so the question is, calculate the maximum number of rows. Okay, so for this one, a bit complex. Okay, so you must think and see now, guys. Let me see. Okay, so he say he has RM 15. Okay, RM 15, and he have to divide among these two. Okay, so first step, you must find the A value. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai A. Okay, so how to find the A value? Based on this equation. A is 30D, guys. Just now we have D equal to, what was just now answer? 1/5. Okay, D equal to 1/5. So mean that my A is equal to 6. A sama dengan 6. Okay, so now, once you get A equal to 6, okay, you can find the area. Okay, so how to find the area of the wall? Okay, so area means, if you want to find the area of the total wall, we are using SN formula. Okay, because we want to sum all the area. Hasil tambah luas. Okay, because they tell you this one. When you find out the area, right, guys, you already know the mass. Can you see that? 1 cm square, 4 times 10 power negative 5 kg. That's why I'm finding the area. Itu sebab saya cari luas. Bila saya tahu luas, saya tahu GSIM dia. Okay, so how to find the area? SN. Okay, you have 31 sheets, 31, because 31 here. Okay, so you just find S31. Okay, so guna rumus lah untuk arithmetic. Okay, so your A value is 6, N is 31, and then your D value is 1/5, 1/5. you already found earlier. Okay, and then you times with the mass. Okay, sorry, times with the area, kali dengan luas. Okay, so why you times 12, guys? May I know? Kenapa darab 12? Why do you all think we need to times 12 over here? Think and see. Why we times 12? Because 12 is the height. Am I right? Area is of a rectangle, length times height. S31 just now is for the length, panjang dia. Okay, this one is actually for the length. Okay, and then times 12 for the height. 12 ni untuk tinggi, height. Okay, and then you times with the weight, kadar dia. How much is the area per kg? Okay, so then kamu selesaikan, press calculator, you get this answer. Dapat yang ni. Okay, so then, do you want to find the number of roll, guys? Jumlah gulungan. Okay, so you can use this information. Let me see. Wait, guys. Let me see. Okay, so you have to do the ratio here. Okay, so you see that 9 ringgit is for 0 to 2.5 kg, correct? So 2.5 kg is the maximum. Okay, and then 0.1339 is cm square per kg. Okay, so guys, you see 2.5 is kg. Am I right? Kg. 0.1339 is cm square kg. Okay, so you will actually get cm square, the unit, after you divide. Okay, so the ratio is RM9. When you take 2.5 divide by 0.1339, you actually get the number of rolls. Okay, bilangan gulungan, which is 18 rolls. Okay, so RM9, you get 18 rolls. Okay, because we are talking on 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg is RM9 based on the table. Okay, so now this one. Okay, so RM6 means, okay, you have to do the ratio lah. RM120. Kalau RM6. Okay, so RM6 is RM120 based on the table also. Okay, can you see here, guys? This one. Okay, when you already have 15 minus 9, kamu tinggal 6. You spend 9 already. So 6, RM6 is for this one. And then 120 for every 500 gram. Means you have 5. Am I right? Because 120 times 5, you have 6. Okay? So, you have to just divide lah. Okay, bahagi saja. Okay, and then you just do 6 over 2.4. Okay, 6 is the ringgit over 2.4. 2.4 is for each kg. 1 kg, 2.4. So if you have RM6 remainder, you will have 2.5 kg also. Okay, so 2.5 kg, how do you find the number of roll? Same concept like over here. 2.5 over the weight, kadar dia, 0.1339. Okay, then you just need to add up the number of rolls. Okay, 18 plus 18, you have 36, 36. Okay, but then because of the decimal place, tempat perpuluhan, we actually need to consider one more roll. Satu lagi. This one is a trick over here. This part is a trick. Okay, you still need to consider one more roll extra. Okay, because wait, let me see. Okay, so over here, let me check and see. Okay, so you see that the weight is 0.1339, right? And then you get 36. Okay, 36, the rolls. Okay, so 36, you must times with the 0.1339 to know what is your total mass now. Apa jumlah jisim sekarang. So then you take the total mass, which is 5 kg, minus the mass you have. The mass you have is this one. Total mass, this one. So you actually have a remainder of mass here. So this remainder of mass actually contribute to one more roll. That's why we have to plus 1 to 36 because of the remainder of the mass. Okay, it's just like round off concept lah, guys. 36.52 rolls. 36.52 rolls, you do what, guys? You round off to 37. Am I right? So this is the concept being explained here. Itu adalah konsep dia. Okay, 36.52, you just round off so that you get a whole number. Okay, and they also say the word maximum. Maximum means you must get the largest value possible. Nilai yang tertinggi. Okay, guys? Clear? Boleh dapat? Soalan 12? Can, ah? Okay, so now we go section B. Soalan bahagian B. Okay, guys, for section B, I will only do 2 questions because exam only need to do 2 questions. 2 soalan saja. Okay, so may I know which one you guys want to choose? Boleh komen? Nak saya bincangkan yang mana? Soalan 13, 14, ataupun 15. Kamu komen 2 soalan yang kamu nak. Okay, we do 14, 15 Okay, 14, 15. Okay, so we skip 13. Okay, this one. Form 4, chapter 2. Am I right? Quadratic, right? Okay lah, that's why they put it in section C, because they know that a lot of people don't this chapter. Okay, so you must choose the question based on what you feel is the easiest for you. Okay, pilih soalan yang senang dengan kamu. Alright. Okay, so let us see this question. Okay, so this one, first part, they ask you to determine the range of value of x when fx is 0. Okay, tentukan julat nilai x bila ada keadaan macam ni. Okay, so guys, how do we determine the range? Okay, so usually there is 3 methods. Ada 3 kaedah. First method, we call it as graph sketching. Kaedah lakaran graph. Okay. Second method, anyone? Do you all know what is the second method? Apa kaedah kedua? Yes. Okay, we call it the number line method, guys. Okay, kaedah garis nombor. Okay, what is the third method? Apa kaedah ketiga? Very good. Okay, sangat bagus. The third method is called as the table method. Okay, so over here, kaedah jadual lah. Okay, so over here, the question is actually showing you the graph sketching method. Soalan tengah tunjuk kaedah lakaran graph. Okay, so now they ask you to determine the range of x when fx greater than 0. Okay, tentukan julat x bagi fx lebih besar dari sifar. Okay, so fx lebih besar dari sifar, kita akan lorek kat sini. Okay, we will shade over here. So guys, you can see the range is x less than negative 2, x lebih kurang dari negative 2. Okay, katakan yang ni saya bagi nilai k. Okay, I just put a value of k. So x is greater than k. Alright. So is this our final answer, guys? Adakah ini jawapan akhir kita? Yes, definitely no lah. Pastilah tidak. Okay, because they ask you to determine the range of x. Tentukan julat nilai x. So here we have an unknown. Kita tak tahu nilai ni. So kita kena cari. Okay, we must find the value. So how do we find the value, guys? Okay, so they give you a clue. They give you the axis of symmetry. Mereka bagi paksi simetri sebenarnya. Okay, so means that the distance from here to here should equal to the distance from here to here. Do you all agree with me? Boleh setuju? Yes. Okay, because it's the axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi simetri. So you must understand the function of axis of symmetry is to divide the graph to 2 equal part. Membahagikan graf kepada 2 bahagian yang sama, kiri dan kanan, dari segi panjang, based on the length. Okay, so you can find the length of these two. You just take negative 2 minus 1 over 4 to find the distance. Okay, so you can press calculator. You should get the answer negative 9 over 4. Okay, as your distance. Sorry. It's supposed to be minus. Okay, because it's negative 1 over 4. So minus negative 1 over 4. Okay, so your answer should have negative 7 over 4. But distance, we just ignore the negative sign. Kita abaikan simbol negatif untuk jarak. Okay, so the answer is 7 over 4. So if 7 over 4 distance on the left-hand side means right-hand side, the distance should also be 7 over 4. Kiri dan kanan kena sama jarak. Okay, so you just take negative 1 over 4 plus 7 over 4. You should get your k value. Ini sama dengan nilai k, yaitu sama dengan 3 per 2. The answer is 3 over 2. Okay, so your final answer will look something like this. Okay, so x is less than negative 2 and x is greater than 3 over 2. So ini adalah jawapan dia, the answer. Alright, so understand? So when you do this, you will get 2 mark. Kamu akan dapat 2 markah. Okay, jangan lupa tunjuk kaedah ni juga. Make sure you show this method, your drawing method of the graph, so that they understand how you get this answer over here. Mereka faham macam mana dapat. Okay? Alright, second question, guys, your favorite. Soalan yang kamu semua suka sangat, buktikan. You all like to prove, right? In maths. Okay, so it's 2 marks only. Don't worry. 2 markah sahaja. Okay, so how to prove this, guys? Macam mana nak buktikan yang ni? Okay, so now it's time for you guys to think and see. Macam mana nak buktikan yang ni? Okay, so they already give you the function. Am I right? Mereka dah bagi fungsi. Okay, so what idea can you come out from the function? Apa idea yang kamu boleh cetuskan? Okay, so usually, right guys, when you see the what you want to prove as an inequality sign, bila nampak simbol ketaksamaan untuk apa yang kamu nak buktikan, usually we are using the concept of discriminant, konsep pembeza layan. Okay, so in discriminant we got these three situations. Kita ada tiga case. Okay, so these are the three case over here for discriminant. Okay, so you write out the three case. Okay guys, so now it's time for you to use logic guys. Kamu kena guna logic. Mana antara tiga case ni betul guys? Cuba jawab. Which of these three case is correct? Can I have your answer? Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is case number 2 guys, is the correct one. Case yang kedua betul. Why? Can you see the inequality sign? Boleh nampak simbol ketaksamaan? Dia sama dengan jawapan kan? Okay, it's exactly same as the answer given. Okay, that's why this one is wrong. This one is wrong. Okay, and also you notice there are two real roots and distinct roots on the graph. Ada dua punca nyata yang berbeza nilai dia. So that's why lebih besar dari kosong, greater than 0. Okay, so you just need to identify your A, B, and C value from this equation over here. Okay, so your A value is equal to 2, B value is equal to H, and C value is equal to negative 2K plus 5. Okay, so you just have to substitute all this value in B square minus 4AC lebih besar dari kosong, and then you just try to rearrange the equation and you express X in term of, K in term of H. Okay, ungkapkan K dalam sebutan H and you will be able to prove already. Dapat 2 markah. Okay guys, do you understand? Very easy, right? For soalan B. Okay, so now we come to soalan C guys. They ask you by using completing the square. Okay, so why they say using this method? Mengapa mereka kena kata dengan menggunakan kaedah ni? Because nilai minimum or minimum value you can find by using differentiation. Am I right? Kamu boleh guna konsep pembezaan untuk cari nilai minimum, which you learn in your Form 5 Chapter 2. Okay, so they don't want you to use this method. Mereka tak mau kamu guna kaedah ni. Sebab soalan jelas nyatakan kena guna kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay, you must use your completing the square. Okay, so now guys, for those that join my intensive lesson for Form 4 Chapter 2 earlier this week, okay, untuk yang dah join, okay, may I know how many steps we have for completing the square? Berapa langkah kita ada? Are you sure 3? Betul ke 3 langkah? Bukanlah, bukan 2 saja guys. Yes, Amelia correct. Okay, the answer is actually 4 step guys. Kita ada 4 langkah guys. 4 step. Okay, so remember this 4 step. If you're new to my class, make sure you remember this 4 step. Ingat 4 langkah ni kalau first time join kelas saya. Okay, so first step I will always tell you make A equal to 1. Okay, A sama dengan 1. Nilai A maksud saya adalah perkali bagi X kuasa 2. Your coefficient of X square must be 1. Okay. Second step, I always tell you B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Okay. This is the second step. Langkah kedua. Third step, I will always say X plus B over 2A square. Okay. And the last step, selalunya expand. Okay, kembangkan. Okay. Expand. Kembangkan. Okay. So it's something like that. All right. Boleh? So, yeah. So you will have something like this. Okay. So now, you have to do completing the square. Okay. Kamu kena buat kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2 on the equation kepada persamaan. Okay. So can you see? This is my first step. I take out the number 2. Saya faktorkan nombor 2. Okay. So that's my first step. Second step, do you see I plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Okay, tambah B per 2 kuasa 2, tolak B per 2 kuasa 2. This is my B value guys, nilai B. Okay, H over 2. You can see over here. Alright, so third step, Third step, I always say x plus h over 4 square, guys. Okay, so can you see here? I take the first term plus the third term. Ambil sebutan pertama tambah yang ketiga. Okay, so I have x plus h over 4 square. Okay, and then the fourth step, you just expand, kembangkan over here. Okay, expand to get the complete equation. Okay, so now you refer back the question. They ask you to find the minimum value, guys. Cari nilai minimum. Okay, so may I know where is the minimum value, guys, in this equation? Kat mana nilai minimum dia? Cuba jawab. What is my minimum value? No, guys, always remember this value is your axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi symmetry. Yang merah adalah salah. Okay, that is your axis of symmetry. Yes, correct. Okay, this is your minimum value, guys. Ini adalah nilai minimum. Selalu lihat nilai yang paling kanan. Look at your most right value. That is always your minimum value. Okay, so first step, they ask you to find the minimum value. Okay, so can we find out the h value first, guys? Adakah kita boleh cari nilai h ni? Yes. Okay, because the question already give you, guys, your axis of symmetry. Soalan dah bagi x equal to negative 1 over 4. Okay, so you just let x plus h over 4 equal to 0. This is our step always. Okay, langkah kita. Okay, because axis of symmetry is the part where it cut the x-axis. Am I right? Paksi symmetry tu akan potong paksi x. So nilai y kena sama dengan kosong. Your y value must be 0. So how can you make your y value become 0, guys? X plus h over 4 should equal to 0. Am I right? So that's the lower function tu, fungsi tu nilai dia dapat kosong. Okay, you get a 0 value. Okay, so you actually will have x equal to negative h over 4. And we now know x is negative 1 over 4. So we can already cari nilai h. Okay, so you can see that our h value is actually equal to 1. Okay, so now we can sub the h value over here. Gantikan dia kat sini. Okay, so you will get this equation. Okay, and then you just solve it. Okay, over here, guys, we cannot find the k value. Tak boleh cari nilai k because we don't have extra information. Kita tak ada informasi lagi. Okay, so you just leave your answer in term of k. Tinggal jawapan dalam sebutan k sahaja. Okay, guys, so this is your question number 14. So I think it's quite easy lah to score 8 mark over here. Sangat senang untuk dapat 8 markah. Okay, all right. So we look at the last question here. Question number 15. Soalan nombor 15. Okay, guys, for this question, they ask you to show this. Kamu kena buktikan yang ni. Okay, guys, if you all got attend the SPM 2021 discussion, SPM 2021 paper 1 also at Maths, they come out the same question. Dia keluar soalan buktikan sama. Exactly the same proving, guys. So you must know how to do this already. Kamu memang kena tahu. Okay, so usually what will be the first step, guys? Okay, langkah pertama selalunya kita akan guna konsep nisbah, guys. We are using the ratio concept. Okay, so always this is called as divisor of line segment formula. Okay, pembagi tempering. Okay, so we always will do this assumption. Okay, we will put random coordinates. Kita akan bagi coordinate yang lawak kepada tiga-tiga label ni. We just give them random coordinate. Okay, so first step, usually our middle coordinate kat tengah-tengah selalu kita akan bagi simbol XY. We always give a symbol of XY. Okay, and then the other two coordinate you can put however you want. Boleh letak macam mana pun boleh. Okay, you can say A is X1, Y1, C, X2, Y2 pun boleh. This one also can. Kalau macam ni pun boleh. Okay, this one also can. Alright, so then we will assign some letter to show the distance of AB and BC. Kita akan bagi huruf. Okay, so usually in our formula we have M and N, right? Dalam rumus pembagi tempering kita ada M and N. Okay, so kita akan letaklah M and N. Okay, we just put the symbol. Okay, so kamu kena pandai letaklah sebab kita nak buktikan rumus ni. Betul? So make sure you put it at the correct position so that you are able to prove this formula. You must get exactly this answer. Okay, 100%. Okay, so you can use the concept of ratio. Guna konsep nisbah, guys. So you take y2 minus y, it will equal to the distance n. and you take y minus y1, it is equal to distance m. Okay, so we are using ratio. Ratio mean divide, guys. Nisbah maksudnya bahagi. Selalu ingat yang tu. Okay, that's why you see a fraction, pecahan. Alright, and after that it's very simple already. You just do the cross multiply. Kaedah silang pangkas sahaja. Okay, so you just cross multiply and express your y value. Okay, ungkapkan sebutan y. Okay, because we are proving the formula of divisor of line segment. So of course you must choose the coordinate that divide the line segment. Kamu kena pilih coordinate yang membahagi segmen garisan, iaitu nilai y kamu. Betul? Because y divide the line segment. Okay, x kita tak akan buat apa-apa kat sini sebab soalan tak minta. They never ask you to show the x. They only ask you to show the y. Do you get it? One or two, guys? Satu atau dua? Okay, very good. All right. So then you just cross multiply macam biasa. Okay, shift all the term left and right. Okay, over here guys, you can notice the y over here. Kamu boleh faktorkan y. Okay, you can factorize out the y. Okay, that's why you see you have n plus m. Okay, and then you just rewrite the equation. Tulis balik persamaan sahaja. Okay, so you will get this as your answer. This one is plus, guys. There is a mistake over here. It is plus, tambah. Alright, so then if you prove everything correctly, kamu akan dapat markah penuh. Okay, so over here you will have 2 marks, 2 markah. Alright, clear guys? Boleh dapat kan? Alright, so we go to question B guys. B involve locus. Okay, mereka melibatkan locus pula sekarang. Okay, so they say point P moves. Okay guys, P adalah titik bergerak. P is a moving point. So whenever you have a moving point guys, the coordinate is not fixed. Coordinate dia takkan tetap because it's moving, tengah bergerak. So we don't know the x value and we don't know the y value also. Kita takkan tahu dua-dua nilai ni. Okay, because it's a moving point. Okay, and then they say from R, dari R. So may I know guys, this R refer to what? R ni mewakili apa guys, coordinate ni? Yes, it represent your center guys. Dia mewakili pusat locus kamu, the center of your locus. You must always understand guys, locus means circle, bulatan sahaja. So a circle will always have a center. Am I right? Setiap bulatan dia akan ada pusat dia. Okay, so don't think like locus is something very complex. Okay, dia bukan kompleks, dia hanya sebuah bulatan sahaja. It's just a circle. It's just a more fancy word only. Perkataan yang lebih canggih sahaja. Actually, it just means circle. Alright, so they say distance. Okay, so means that you must use the distance formula. Am I right guys? Kamu kena guna rumus jarak. Okay, so over here they are talking about the distance PR, jarak PR. Okay, they say 2.5 times guys. So kamu tulislah 2.5 kali. Okay, so they say distance from y axis guys. So may I know jarak dari paksi y? What is the answer? Apa yang kamu akan tulis kat sini? Distance from y-axis. This one tricky a bit. Lebih susah sikit. So you need to know what to fill in here. Kamu kena tahu. It's not y, bukan y. Okay, yes, correct. The answer is actually x, guys. Jawapan dia adalah x. Okay, so why x? Mengapa x? Anyone know the reason? Kenapa kena x? Okay, because the distance from y-axis is horizontal. Am I right, guys? Jarak dari paksi y, okay, contoh paksi y locus kat sini. Jarak dia sebenarnya apa yang bergerak, guys? Coordinate x. Am I right? Your x coordinate is moving over here. So that's why I put the x here. Do you understand? Because the distance from y-axis is horizontal, mengufuk. Okay, that's why kamu letak x. Okay, so then just selesaikan sajalah. Just solve the equation. Okay, so you will have the equation PR equal to 2.5x. Okay, PR sama dengan 2.5x. Okay, so your wait guys, sorry. Okay, so it's over here. Okay, so 3/2 and -1/2 is your center. Okay, so distance formula, this one. Okay, make sure kamu ingat rumus jarak is something like this. Okay. And then kamu gantikan sajalah titik. Just substitute the point. Okay, and then expand. Kembangkan saja. Kuasa 2, dua-dua belah persamaan. Just square both sides. And then you simplify until you get the final answer. Sampai dapat. Okay guys? Clear? Soalan B okay? Senang kan? Okay, next one. Last guys. Last question. Okay, soalan C. They ask you to find the y in... y divide 2? Which one? Where? Where got divide 2? Y divide 2.5x. Just now I explained, right? The distance is 2.5 times the distance from y-axis. Okay ya? Boleh kecilkan lagi? Oh, kamu nak nampak soalan ke? Tak apa, nanti saya akan share PDF guys. Jangan risau. I will share the PDF to you all. Okay, we go last question now. Okay, so the question is find the y-intercept of straight line PQ. Cari pintasan y. Okay, so you must use some informations lah. Okay, so they say that area of PQRS is 60. Okay, guys. So they say this area is 60. Okay, so now guys, may I know what is the area of this red color region? Apa luas kawasan yang merah sahaja? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? What is the red color region area? The total is 60. So the red one only? How much? Yes, setengah sahaja guys. It's just half because it is all equal. Okay, this quadrilateral PQRS is actually salary lah. Okay, it's parallel. Okay, so the area will be equal one. Okay, so you just take 60 divided by 2. Okay, and then you all know, right, how to use the formula for area. Okay, so basically you just need to involve all the coordinate. Okay, guna semua coordinate sahaja. Okay, they ask you to find the y-intercept. Cari pintasan y. Means that you must find the coordinate of P. Correct? Kamu kena cari coordinate P. Alright? So, yeah. So you just must find the y value. Cari nilai y. Okay? So you can use this triangle. Guna rumus ni. Guys, this one here got mistake. Ada kesilapan. This one is actually number 2. Okay? Yes, this one is shoelace, guys. Kaedah ikat kasut. Saya panggil. Shoelace method. Can you all see it? Exactly like the shoelace method. So kamu selesaikan sajalah. Just solve the equation. Okay guys, may I know why y equals to 23 I ignore? Kenapa 23 tak boleh? Kenapa 3 saja betul? Why is 23 reject? So kamu kena lihat graph lah guys. So guys, logic or not? Y sama dengan 23 kat sini. Yes. 23 not logic. This one itself only 9 guys. Kat sini 9. So macam mana yang ni boleh 23? Tak logic. That's why you must choose a value less than 9. Lebih kurang dari 9. Okay, that's why you're going to choose. Answer is 3. Okay. Remember when you open the modulus is positive, negative. Kamu ada 2 case. You have 2 separate case 1. Okay. So, understand? Boleh faham? Okay, so congratulations guys. We completed the SPM paper 1 already, 2022. SPM, SPM paper 1. So do you guys find it useful? Membantu? Clear? 2 hours today. 2 solid hours we complete the paper already. So correct timing lah guys. Paper 1 memang 2 jam kena buat. So we finish in 2 hours. So congratulations. We did it on time. Okay. So hopefully it helped you all. So yeah, thank you very much for joining the class today. Hopefully membantu. Yes. If those have questions, can stay.